technically, Congressman, a KTV bar or a nightclub is not an illegal business per se. But as the landlords, were you aware of the nature of the business? Kasi ang sabi po ng NBI dito that sexual services were being offered.
Well, ang sinasabi ko, yung operations nila is operations nila yon. In the same manner na yung Korean restaurant, we don't know the ingredients. We don't know what they cook, what they serve. We don't know their prices. So that's them. That's their operations. Ang pino-point out ko lang, di ba, ang dami nating problema ngayon. Si Atty. Matibag, ang tinututukan, tingnan niyo lahat ng records ng NBI, puro mga korporasyon ng mga kalaban. Puro mga kalaban. O, sa akin, ilang corporations na may involvement ako na tinira nila. Of course, they will justify. May basis, may basis. Pero sinasabi ko sa kanya kay Atty. Matibag, sa panahon ngayon na ang daming gutom, ang daming naghihirap, huwag mong gamitin ang politika para mangkipit ka ng mga tao. 9 years ako naging kabinete. Wala akong ginapit kahit siya. Wala makakapagsabi na I went to their companies, ginamit ko BIR, I check on them. Walang ganyan. It was just a political back and forth of the issues that we were concerned with. Ito, grabe yung ginagawa nila, pati personal. Pati pamilya ko, dinadamay nila.
Sir, SEC records show that your wife, Julie, was listed as the president of Zerin Development Corporation, which does business under the name of Blue Hotel. So,
Yes.
I mean, I know you're saying that you guys are just landlord, but she was also serving as the president of the company, right? So, in a way,
Yes,
she's also operating it.
No. We gave that up in 2019. We have records to show that. Kung yung lahat ng yan na turnover na namin to the new group, to the new owners. It may have been registered under our name pero hindi na kami dan involved. Kahit na tingnan yung records na Zerin, wala yang income, wala yang employees. So, again, I'm going back to the point. I think the issue here is not the raid. The issue here is political harassment. The issue here is panggigipit ng mga tao.
Pero kung linawin lang natin, no, because we want to get this absolutely correct. So we settled the ownership issue now with Chicago, so they're basically renting. Pagdating dun sa hotel, you said you guys used to own it. By us, do you mean your family, including your wife and your child? Or do you mean the same investor group that owns the other building? Or
No, it's a different operation.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
if I
then,
may explain.
Correct. And then
Kasi
next
parang-
question. Okay, linawin lang natin
Yeah.
ako. Yung next question is, you said you gave it up. Do you mean that you sold the hotel? Or, kasi minsan uso yung papamanage mo sa isang property management or hospitality management o kayo na mag-manage itong property ko kasi ayoko na problemahin. What exactly was the term when you said we gave it up? Was it sold?
Correct.
Yeah.
Kasi ang nangyari dyan sa operations namin is that, well, of course, the property is the property. Ngayon, let's say yung hotel, a group rented it out, particularly us, but different investors. So we were running it at some point and then we gave it up. Another group before rented it. It was a person, not a corporation, and we can show documents to prove that. So sila na yung nag-operate ng hotel. So as I've said, yung isang office naman doon, they're renting it out for an office. So sila naman ang nag-operate doon as an office. So yan yung structure nung it's how can I put that again? Parang isa siyang, let's say, isang building that we have a different group of investors. Then some people may be investing in this and they will be setting up their own business there. Yung iba naman ganito gagawin. So ganun yung setup nung pinaka property. And we have records and we have documents to show that and to prove that.
NBI Director Melvin Matibag says they only found out that the companies were linked to you guys after the raid. He said that they got tipped off and then they conducted surveillance operations and then they binantay nila and so on and so forth. And they even at some point discovered nga the secret passage allegedly that leads to the nightclub to the hotel. Sorry, the hotel to the nightclub. And again, he says it's unfair for your wife to characterize this as politically motivated because they only found out of the linkage to you guys after the raid.
Si Atty. Matibag, matalinong tao yan. May tao sila sa NBI. Alam ko na marami na wala ng respeto sa kanya sa loob ng NBI because nakikita nila yung mga operations na ganito, na very political. Ang sinasabi ko, ang dami nating problema sa Pilipinas. Ang i-ooperate mo, ang magkakaroon ka ng SPIA, pag kakaroon ng investigation, ay yung mga KTV clubs. Nagkataon, ang dami KTV clubs. Diyan lang sa Pasig meron, Casablanca is in Shangri-La, sa Manila you have in Soler, in Okada, City of Dreams. Lahat ng yan, di ba? They have KTV clubs. So, bakit niya tututukan itong kumpanyang to? Bakit niya tututukan yung particular operation na to? Sa dinami-dami ng problema natin sa droga, peace and order, kidnapping, yan ang tututukan ng NBI.
Yeah. Yeah. And
So,
yet,
it is political.
and yet si Director Matibag was once the chair of PDP Laban and was once associated with former President Duterte. At one point, naging acting cabinet secretary pa niya si Attorney Matibag. I mean, politically lang. I just wanted to point that out.
Yeah. Alam mo, Regine, ang tagal ko nga naging cabinet, 9 years. Sinasabi ko yan, no? And maraming ganyan talaga sa politika, naglalaban kayo na may politika kayo. Marami akong kaibigan sa administration ni President Bongbong Marcos. Alam namin yung parameters ng laban. Alam namin ang away. Alam namin na hindi pwedeng isangkot ang mga pamilya, hindi pwedeng isangkot yung mga pribadong interest. You do not, you do not involve your family members or other persons not directly involved in politics. So, itong ginagawa ni Atty. Matibag, wala pa siyang 1 year. Yung attack niya, left and right, hindi lang sa akin, sa lahat ng tao. And I think that should be a cause for concern. Huwag siyang manggupit because of politics, because iba ang paniniwala ng tao sa paniniwala niya.